Can you have both ADHD and depression? Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and depression are conditions that can and often co-occur. Depression is estimated to be 2.7 times more prevalent among adults with ADHD than among the general adult population. Studies also show that about 30% of people with ADHD will experience a depressive episode or have a mood disorder in their lifetimes. It's very important for anyone with ADHD and depression to make sure that both conditions are properly managed, and especially for ADHD to be identified and treated, as it can have a significant impact on how depression manifests. Some of the symptoms of depression overlap with the symptoms of ADHD. This can make it hard to tell the two conditions apart. For example, restlessness and boredom can be symptomatic of both ADHD and depression. In some cases, the medications prescribed for ADHD can also produce side effects that mimic depression. Some ADHD medications can cause sleep difficulties, loss of appetite, mood swings, fatigue, restlessness. How do ADHD and depression overlap? We know that these are comorbid conditions, which means that when you are diagnosed with one, the odds of you also being diagnosed with the other are higher. Some facts on the overlap of ADHD and depression. Teens with ADHD are 10 times more likely than their peers without ADHD to develop depression. Depression is 3 times more prevalent in adults with ADHD compared to adults without ADHD. People diagnosed with depression tend to have rates of ADHD diagnosis of about 30 to 40%. 70% of people diagnosed with ADHD may also experience depression in their lifetime. Sometimes it can be hard to tell ADHD and depression apart. This is because there are overlapping symptoms, but also because some ADHD medication can cause side effects that mimic depression, such as loss of appetite or sleeping difficulties. While both ADHD and depression involves issues related to mood, concentration, and motivation, they do differ. Mood. A person with ADHD may experience temporary mood liability all the way back to childhood, while a person with depression tends to have mood episodes beginning in the teens or later that last at least weeks or months. The trouble with diagnosing ADHD or depression, however, is that there are overlapping symptoms between the two diagnoses. These include feeling of restlessness and having trouble concentrating. To further complicate things, many of the side effects of ADHD medication, such as sleep problems, loss of appetite, and fatigue, can imitate a depressive episode. If a child with ADHD experiences sadness, hopelessness, and suicidal thoughts, then this may merit an additional diagnosis of depression. If you suspect you might be depressed, make an appointment with your doctor. They can help pinpoint the cause of your symptoms.